Hey everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to remove bookmarks on your PDF. So let's get started. So now here we are in google.com and all we have to do is search for PDF delete bookmarks here on Google, and then we would have these results. And from here all we have to do is go for this one, Ave PDF. So you want to click on that and then you'll be prompted here on their website. And all you have to do now is simply choose the file that you would want to remove your bookmark in. Click on choose file and click on your PDF. If, for example, mine is this one, click on open. And then now it will take some time. And then from here, you want to make sure that you enable bookmark sort here so that it will not be removed. And then you can also enable the others if you'd want to. In my case, I'll just enable all of them and click on remove. And then just like that, all the bookmarks will now be removed. All that's left now is to download our file with the removed content, just like that. Click on start download and open. And now we don't have the bookmarks present in our PDF. And that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.